The infamous "Every Little Hurts" leaflet that I believe was dreamed up in this this headquarters here. How much damage has it done to Labour? John Lyons was in here last December. He said that it had haunted the party and government.
I remember getting it and not using it. I remember it was about the last week of the campaign, and we got a box of leaflets, and somebody had dreamed up this idea about. I mean, we just needed to tell people that Fine Gael on by themselves would have been dangerous. And I know what I've learned for the last 4 years in government, that Fine Gael by themselves would have been not just dangerous but disastrous, because of what their instincts are when it comes to public policy and the public service and to social protection and the way they would go about handling the economy. So all we had to do was to say that. We didn't have to pick on specifics because
that ruined you, didn't it? Because you broke all those promises.
There was a level, I think, at that stage when we had been at 27% in the polls the previous November, and the week before the election we were at 17%. And I think, honestly, looking back, there was possibly a bit of panic. But all we needed to say was something like "one party government, no thanks," or, you know, I mean, that's what I was saying at the door. I mean, at the doors, I was saying, look, broadly, we want to get employment back, we want to recover the economy, we want to renegotiate the deal with the Troika, we want to get out of the bailout, but, you know, if you want Fine Gael by themselves, vote Fine Gael. If you want Fine Gael Labour, vote Labour. We didn't need to make specific pledges at that stage, and I think it was silly to do so. And but at the same time, the overall overarching promises we were making was about the recovery of the economy, doing it in a balanced way, not cutting our way out of the problems we were in, you know, having a balanced approach to economic recovery, and we've achieved a huge amount of that. But again, I think if we were to run the election again, we'd do it differently.